Hi, good day, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Miracle Edet Okon, and if you are just coming across this YouTube channel for the first time, please do well to subscribe to the YouTube channel, turn on your notifications, and also prepare yourself because I'll be dropping many more tutorials like this, which will teach you how to design with just your smartphone. And you're not just learning how to design basic things. You're going to be learning how to design professional flyer designs and also how to make money from it with just your smartphone. Now for this video tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to create this simple flyer design. This flyer design literally took me 6 hours or 5 hours rather to create, but I'll just be teaching you in few minutes. Why it took me 5 hours? Because I was trying to like get the concept for it. And if you are a professional designer, you know thinking of the thought process that goes behind creating a flyer design is always very lengthy. You need to like, no matter, people might look at this design now and say, oh, this is a very simple thing, but it is not actually simple. And I'm going to show you how I went about this thing. Like, this is a must watch, and I'm very sure you're going to enjoy this video. So do well to stay to the end, and in a few minutes we'll be done, right? Okay, so let's go. Now the first thing I'm going to do is to get the color I'll be using for the background. Now for the background, I use the size. Now for the size, come to this two graduation cap here and tap on image size. So the size I'm using for this is 768 by 690. 768 by 690. That's 768 for the width and 980 rather for the height. 768 by 960. 768 by 960. 768 for the width and 960 for the height. That's aspect ratio 4:5. And the preset is on custom, right? It is on custom. So that is all for the settings of the size, and I'm going to click on OK, right? That is the size that we have, right? So after that, the next thing we'll be doing is to change the background color. Now to get a background color, I will be sending these flyer designs on the group. There's a Telegram channel where you're going to join. The link is on the description box, so you're going to join there, so you're going to get notified whenever I drop a new design tutorial or a new lesson. Do you get it? So I'm going to be dropping this flyer and the materials for you to create your own too in the Telegram channel. Now before I do that, let's get the exact color I used for this flyer design. Now this flyer design was created by me, and my name is Miracle Edet Okon. So you can follow me on all social media platforms. The link are also in the description box. All right, so this flyer design, to get the exact color they use, I'm going to come on color here, then I'm going to scroll up to this addition sign, then I'm going to tap on this first place here, that is a color picker. So I'm going to tap on the flyer design or the image I want to get the color from. Then I pick the exact color I want, which is this one. I just pick. You can pick any color, and once you're picking any color, it is changing in this side, right? So I'm gonna pick this one since this is the base color, right? So now I've picked that color for it, and can you see how it blends so well with it? You will not even know that there was something there. Like, this looks so good, right? All right, so now after that, the next thing we are going to be doing, I love to create my background first, and I like to tell people that you can actually create your background from scratch. You don't need to download everything on social media. You can actually create your background from scratch. Do you understand it? So now let me show you how I created this background, because this background I created it from scratch. Now the first thing I'm going to do is I go to this my P. I go to this my P, then I come to shapes. Then when I get to shapes, I increase my shape to fit into the size of this, just a small space. Then I can even take it up a bit. Then I scroll up to color. This is fill color. I scroll up to color. Then when I scroll up to color, I go to gradient. Then I press OK. Then now what gradient does, gradient is a combination of two or more colors, right? So for the gradient, I'm going to make the downside the same color, Then I'm going to make the upper side, that's this other one, to be transparent, right? So one side is transparent and the other side is colorful, right? So this is it, and it is placed on up and down. That is this second place, this second one, that was where it is placed. And I pressed OK. Now I'm going to show you what this will do. Now this is a step to creating my background, right? Now after this, I'm going to go to texture and I'm going to import an image. That's the image I want to use for the background, and that image will be this one. All right, the image will be this one. So I'm just going to crop it to this side, or I can even use this 4:3, or let me use this. Now once you bring in an image, once the image does not fit, if the image you brought in and the shape you're using are not the same shapes, it will deform like this. So what are you going to do if it deforms like that? Is either you press enable for it to be adjusted, or you just increase the scaling. Do you understand? Either ways, you're good to go. Now after this, now I reduce the opacity because I don't want it to be too visible. I want it to just look like. Now I reduce the opacity and this has formed my background. Nobody will know that this is not a background. Nobody will know that I added anything because everything just blends together. And this is what most people will not teach you. This is how to blend excellently. Now once you're done blending, you come to this gradation cap up here and you lock it so that it's no move. Now I've created a background design. I've created a template which I can even put on social media and sell it, like just this template like that. You can sit and create templates like this. Do you understand? Merge template together, make outstanding backgrounds for your designs and sell it. And when you even show people, they'll know that this thing I cannot download it from anywhere, because they will never see something like that anywhere. They will not even know that, oh, this was actually created by you, right? So that's another way to make money as a designer, by creating templates like this and selling them online, right? So the next thing we're going to do is to add our logo design. So this is the logo design we'll be using, and it comes in black because I did not remove the background. But let's just keep that aside first. Let's hide it. We're going to go to that later on. Then let's go to our text. For you to write your text, you go to A, common text, write on edit. Now the text we're going to be writing is build on scribe, right? Build on scribe. All right, so now the font we'll be using for this is a very, very simple font. Okay, if you want to learn how to download fonts, also tell me. I'll put up a video on how you can learn how to download fonts, right? So let's look for the type of fonts we'll be using for this. Okay, so I think this is the font we'll be using for this, but let's search for the lighter one. That one is a bit bold. Okay, I think this is it. HYBB Amingo Lights. Alright, so this is the font we'll be using. So then we put it in the middle. Now if you notice, there are a lot of spaces in the middle, so I'm going to decrease the word spacing. I go to letters, I go to words, then I decrease the word spacing to -4, right? And I position it to the center also. Then after that, I want to change the color. So I go to color, I come to gradients because this was a combination of two colors I used. Then I tap on the plus sign. I go to this first one, I go to this color picker. Then I pick the deeper purple that was used for this side. If you notice, you'll see that it was two colors that were used for the shape, for the text rather. Then you come here and you pick the lighter purple. right? Now before it was up and down, but this one is going to be sideways. Do you understand? Because I want the lighter side to be at the left hand side of the text and the darker shade to be at the right hand side of the text, right? Then I press OK, and this is just it. This is just it. And the next thing we're going to be doing is to write the other text, which is develop the future with a protocol built for speed and scalability. Alright, so we're just going to reduce the size and write it. Develop the what future built for protocol, right? Okay, built with a develop the future with a protocol, sorry, with a protocol, speed, scalability, and permanence. Speed, built for speed, scalability, and permanence, right? So that's just that for that. And after that, we're changing the color not to gradient but to one color, and that is to black. And then we're aligning it. We go to line spacing, sorry, we go to align, we align it to the center. Do you understand it? Then we bring it here, make it to be in the middle. I think it is too black. My boss told me not to use it when you're designing with black. Don't use exactly black. Take it a bit to like harsh or something. Can you see the difference? It's not still that harsh I want it to be. So let's do this. Okay, this is fine. Then after this, then after this, what are we going to do next? Okay, so after this, we're going to bring in our shape, which is this, bringing it in. I've already added shadow underneath so that it will sit on this. So it's going to sit and it's not going to look like something is standing. So that is why it is sitting like that. Can you see how our work is almost coming to life? Alright. So after that, the next thing we're going to do is to bring in our shape. We'll increase the radius of this shape. Then we will expand it. Expand it. We will expand it. Then after that, you change the color to the color you used first. That gradient color of purple and light purple and darker purple that we used, that's what we are going to change it with. And can you see how it is looking so good? Then please always make sure you're aligning your work to the center so that everything will be properly aligned. Then after that, we'll bring in another shape and we will increase the radius also for this. Increase the radius also for this. Then you turn the color to the lilac we used before is this one bar. So the lilac, and that is all for that. That is all for that. Then the next thing you are going to do is to bring in bringing in this. Then I'm going to remove the color, erase color. Then I'm going to change the color to black. Then after that, I'll reduce the size and put it here. You can use your position tool to move and put it there. Let me see what I wrote there. Sign up for dev access, scribe, dev. Okay. Then you can now write, copy this and write sign up for dev access. Then let's just do like that. Okay, scribe dot acy dot dev. Let's just write it like that because I don't want to copy exact. All right. So now you put this in the middle. Now you want to make two things in the middle together. You can just come here, merge it together, then come here and align it to the center. So you don't have to be dragging one by one, right? So after that, the next thing we are going to do is to bring in our logo design, and we are done. So I brought in a logo design before, and this is it, right? So I'm going to reduce the size first of all. I'm reducing the size, then I'm going to come to erase color, and I'll erase the black color on it. Then I'm now going to change the color to this gradient color. Then I'm now going to go to the position, take it back. Then I'm now going to write the name of the company color. I'm going to write the name of SKRYBE, SKRYBE. I'm going to write the name of the company. And that is that for this. We are done with the flyer design, and it is just exactly as this is, right? We are done, and we are done with our flyer design. And after you're done with this, you can just save as an image, make it very high, then you save it to gallery, and that is it for this. So if you enjoyed watching this video, I would love to know in the comment section, and also do well to follow me across all social media platforms, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also tell me what you learned from this video you just watched, right? I really cannot wait to see your own designs, and this is design we made, very unique. I really cannot wait to see your own designs, and I really cannot wait to hear your testimonials. So how was this process? Was it stressful for you when you're doing your own? Just tell me, and don't forget again to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on your notifications for my next video tutorial. And also, if you want a full detailed course on all of this, how to learn how to design like this, I have a course for 11,000 naira. You're going to learn over 30 different flyer design tutorials, professional ones. And if you also want to get that, the link is also in the description box to get it via seller, right? All right, guys, so thank you for watching. My name is Miracle Edet Okon, and see you in my next video. Bye.